Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent WhatsApp from accessing your location. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your privacy and take control of your data. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. This is where you can manage permissions for all the apps installed on your phone. Next, navigate to the section labeled Apps or Apps and Notifications. Depending on your device, this menu might have slightly different names, but it serves the same purpose: managing app settings. Scroll through the list of applications until you find WhatsApp. Once located, tap on it to open its settings. Inside WhatsApp's settings menu, select Permissions. This is where you'll see all the permissions WhatsApp currently has access to, including your location. Now, tap on Location. You'll be presented with options to control how WhatsApp uses your location data. To block access completely, select Don't Allow. By choosing this option, you're ensuring that WhatsApp cannot track or use your location information. And that's it. You've successfully disabled WhatsApp's access to your location. This simple adjustment not only protects your privacy, but also gives you greater control over how your personal data is used. Remember, managing app permissions is an essential step in safeguarding your privacy. By regularly reviewing and updating these settings, you can ensure that only trusted apps have access to sensitive information. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from these steps. Stay safe and enjoy a more private digital experience.